Let's go see the yeah. Here it is! It's here! Yes! I can get it out in my name! Yep! One and another one.
Two. Double magic gotta do. It will make us Santa happy.
And another one is three. The mirror magic, as you see, makes another you and me. That's what magic mirrors do. They make another one of you. With magic mirrors making friends, the magic never ends. Three, and another one is four. Each time one more than before, a brand new friend to take the floor. Four, and another one is five. Watch the magic come alive, as one by one we all arrive. Five, and another one is six. One more number in the mix, a pal to join in all our tricks. With magic mirrors making friends, the magic never ends. With magic mirrors making friends, the magic never ends. With magic mirrors making friends, the magic never ends.
Yeah. Two magic layers can make double friends too, and make it better. That could be impressive, but sure, let's do it together. Don't worry, I could carry this. Look at my strong muscles. That's cool. You can do this too. Let's go. Let's put this here now. Okay, let's chill. Okay, let's put it at the same time. I don't think that's not a good idea, guys. You could break this and bite their self. I think we made huge mistakes. Don't worry, guys. Look, we can make dice and we can have double friends and together.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Look, it's broken. And also the mirrors is broken. And there's no square in it. Hello? Hello? This thing is not going to do anything. We should have made the mistake first time. It will take forever to fix this, but we need someone to fix it. I got this idea, but I don't know how to do it.
I guess we need to find some pirate to fix this. And someone clever.
Welcome everyone. I know how to do it.
Of course, 21, you're back again. Yay! You can fix this for us, please.
Sure, I can fix it. I know how to do it. You could go over there by the pirates and find things out there and have fun. Let's put a square in it. You only made a huge mistake though, but how are we gonna get there? This mistakes. This large square into 3D can make it fun. I don't know if you can make it fun, but I don't know. But you could go on the pirates, you can make it in the treasure. Look. See, you could see those dice everywhere. It's a hectic. I don't know. So let's find those things after these things around, okay, guys? Pirates! We all know that there is pirates in it, but you still could find it until you complete it in the game, okay, guys? Oh, you say treasure, right? There could be treasure by your own, but there's 6 pieces, 5 pieces, 4 pieces, 3 pieces, 2 pieces, and 1 pieces here. And you can see all the treasures.
We have to find something else!
How are we gonna get this though? I know how to get it now. And get the treasure.
Yeah, you can find a treasure, so let's find it until we got it.
That's incredible. Let's get there before. I'm a pirate and I can get there. I'm a pirate. I can get there too, so you guys will be brave as well. We all know that, but let's get there and let's get there too. I know, guys. We could get there before this. And you could save it. Let's go over there. You guys need to pass this ship over there, okay, guys? Let's go get there, okay? No, I'm getting there first. No, I'm getting there first. No, I'm gonna get there first. Make sure you find all the treasures, okay? No, block 1, you keep this. I'm finding things. There. This is gonna be incredible.
I wish I was you and get these good things like you are.
Be safe, okay? No like one. Be ready.
I'm a pirate! Roar! Roar! I can do that. I can get there
Oh, I can see something awesome here, guys. Really? I'm pretty sure. Let's go start this song again. Whoa! Oh no! Oh! Oh no!
Oh! We belong here now? That's not fair! But we can find the treasure, so let's find it. Oh!
Welcome to the Pirates House. Huh? Captain Wilson! What is that? Ew. Today we're gonna find the things here and get to the stuff and then find the Hexagon. I don't know what this is. Captain Wilson, you're here! I don't care for it, and you can take my stuff. But go back here. That's amazing. We can find stuff here, and I'm safe here. Yeah, you're pretty sure you're safe. You're right, and you are safe too, or not. So let's go play this lesson until the starts in 3, 2, 1, 0. Complete all the missions. I'm ready for my dice roll. And click me clever.
I find a treasure, like you need to go over there where I'm at. So I think we're here. That's easy. I can. Whoa!
You need to complete it.
Yeah.
And also make the treasure and make this completed. You get it now. I said now. I said now.
Alright. Yes, I did. Listen to me. So I know how to make this. No, that's kind of wrong. So let's make the other side. Yeah, I think I know that the eyes go this side. So let's make it. That's still kind of wrong, but it's backwards. Oh, that's me what that looks like. Oh, okay. So let's put this here, and thank you, mirror. Yes!
Now you need to make this in quarters.
Oh, they look so easy, but so no. I think we need to do this, so we have to do it. So let's do this. Let's grab it at the top first, and let's do the bottom. So I think it is top first. Remember my reflection. So we need to do the bottom first. Like this. Yes.
Now you have to make something different. Those weird tiny blocks forever. Now you never figure out.
How am I gonna make this? This is impossible.
Sorry, there's no hand. You need to do it by yourself. How am I gonna do this? Hello? I need to do something. Oh, well, I know how to do it. Whoa! Ow! Oh, I guess we need to make it there, but I don't know how to do it. But I guess I need to go in the middle. Ooh. Oh no! Oh, that was close, but I still could do it. Whoa. I need some double ones for this help. Ah, I know. So let's make it this side and yeah. Oh no, let's make double ones now. Okay, 2 and 2's could be this side. So let's make it together. 2 minus 1. Oh no. Let's do this.
Yeah, this is the point. I'll go right and you go left. Okay, let's go on the right and the left. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. 1, 2. Let's run this side again. I'm gonna fall too. How am I gonna make this? We're gonna line right there, okay? Okay, let's do it. But how am I gonna go over there now? Let's go then. Let's go. Let's hustle. Let's go. Yes, let's go hustle. 1, 2, 3. Yes, let's do it. Okay, yeah, let's go.
That was so easy. Thank you, little friends. This is a salt trick. Oh no, I had to make double one.
No! No!
No! You are a trap here now. How I get the worst one ever? This is disgusting. Have to do this. You have to do something else to make two. Well, I'm not like that suspicious, so I can do this probably. So this could be easy. Oh, now I can see. So let's use 3 because I am 3. Because that could be smart number. Because I am top. Ooh, see? I did it. This is so easy, right? I knew this gonna work. It works out every time. Works every time.
How dare you!
Oh, never mind. I guess I'm just getting involved into this. Now, how am I gonna do now? So, how am I gonna do this? Not this again. Yuck! Let's see what place this is. That looks awesome. Oh, 1. That's easy. 1. That's right. It is a column and it is a square. 1. That's easy. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I'm sure that's right. I have 4 squares just like me. So that could equal 4 square and also 1 like this. So it could be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5. So is it 5? Is that right? Are you sure? Alright, answer the questions. How many squares are there in it together? No, I don't know. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, my friends are trapped, but I'm gonna get the keys before. So let's help them together. And oh no, my friends! What have you done to them? If you can catch them, and someone else might get the key. If I don't save my friends, I won't get the key, but I will get the key soon.
There's nothing you can't do. Things can look much better when you put your hands together. 5 plus 1 equals 6. When everything seems hopeless and you need a new direction, stop and take a breath, a moment for reflection. A half and a reflection of a half looks like a hole. Times 5. Is this a key? When you see a friend in need, you can be a friend indeed. Things can look much better when you put your hands together. 5 plus 2 equals 10. You don't have to be alone when you feel you're out of luck. If you find yourself a friend, they can help you get unstuck. That's 5. Yes, things can look much better when we put our hands together. And yes, please help. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Everyone feels bad sometimes and wants to scream and yell, but never be too proud to tell a friend when you need help. Auto cube, 2 by 2 by 2. Auto cube. Pieces are right, pieces are right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'd hurry if I were you. worth equals time. If you've been working hard all day and now you're feeling tired, a friendly face can lift you up and help you stay inspired. A square made in every corner. There are 9 little squares in one big square. That makes 10 plus 4 squares like me, and that makes 14. Great! I hope that it was worth this song and dance. I hope it didn't make you miss your chance. I think that you will find it's always worth it to be kind. Life is so much better when we put our hands together. Sometimes everybody needs a helping hand. They'll be happy that you help them understand. Help your friends fall through, they'll do the same for you. Things will be much better when we put our hands together. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. You lent us a hand, and now it's your turn to take ours. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Climb aboard this rocket and I'll take you to the stars. Be there to help you through. There's nothing you can do. Sometimes everybody needs a helping hand. Oh, I'm so glad to see you all. Now we're back together. Nothing can stop us. Our army armies.
Now my hearties, you can get up and get your prize until you made it.
All of us, let's go get up there fast. Yeah. Finally, I made it in my time. Now I can snake off of me. Now I got my break. Yay! Hey, look, it's a cube thingy. And the treasure must be the end. Excellent. Now I can get my prize. I have to race you on. Ha ha! Hey! Look, we need to get there fast. No, 3.
We are dangerous strangers.
3. That used to happen to me too. Does anyone have a key? Me. Whoa. Wow. Come on, everyone, let's go. Hopefully it will bring this back again. And be incredible. And nice. I know, this will be awesome, great forever. Yay. I could do this for long. Yay, we're gonna pass this until we made it to the end. This will be exactly normal, and I will love it forever. So love it. Wait, look in the ground. We're missing one more left. It's me, right? It's gonna be me, guys. Okay. I think the pirate will give us one, cause he's kind of nice a little. So let's wait until he gives us one. That's right. I'll give you the last one. Yeah. Wow! This is amazing ever! And I can roll my dice! And now have fun! Now let's roll. And now we can put the mirror back! Something good happened. And look, it's not. Oh, I like this trick. And now we can have the thing back! This is exciting! And a big mirror is blocking our way. Now can you have it the back, and now it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back and it will be awesome and awesome and awesome.
Guys, wanna know who I am? I was in the skies and how many times?
And now look! The sunrise has come! The mirror is not black, but I missed it. I will just come back still. Huh? Whoa! Hello, double friend!
Well done, shipmates. I take my hat off to you. I knew you'd make a fine exploring team. Together. Who's ready to set sail for home?